Have you made some money in this bull market? Or have you been scared to invest? Or are you just still stuck on the sideline thinking, I'll wait for a better price? Well, I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but we've only got 3 months left. And I've got these three coins that I think are going to do good in the next 3 months. First one is Solana. Solana is about 46 to 45% away from all-time high. From here to here, where we here, yeah, 48% from all-time high. I believe this coin is going to do some madness. And I do right now, it's just about to start to outperform Ethereum. So if you got some ETH, the wisest thing to do is switch Ethereum to Solana to get more gains, obviously. That's the first coin. The second coin is Sui. I know my charts look crazy, crazy right now because I've been trading this for a while. I just take everything off, take that off, boom. Sui is 49% away from all-time high. I mean, look, if you're using leverage, you're winning, but you don't even need to use leverage to make some money in here. You can literally, it's called spot trading. Spot trading is when you buy the asset, you hold on to it, and you sell when you get in profit. Oh, or if you start losing money, you can sell. But basically, you don't need to worry about the price going up every hour, every minute, every day. You can just literally buy the coin, put on your ledger, or leave it on the exchange. Go mind your business, go to work, whatever, and just check up on it once a week or every other day. Depends how you live your life. But yeah, the reason why I picked Sui is because me personally, I don't even like the project. Like I don't get it. But one thing I realized is you always have to follow what the money's doing. And big money is buying this coin and they're accumulating, accumulating, accumulating. So the way I see it is like people that's got a lot, like way more. I'm talking billionaires, yeah. People that's invested in this coin are billionaires, like some crazy money, yeah. They've been buying these coins, buying it, and they're paying nice. They're paying like some nice bit of money for the promotion, advertisement, all of that, yeah. So in life, it's not about being a sheep, but sometimes you have to use your brain and you have to follow the money. And there's a lot of money going into this asset. So just for that reason, I'm buying this coin. Plus, it's 50% away from its all-time high. So obviously, it makes sense in it. But remember, I'm not just spot trading, I'm leverage trading as well. And see with this coin as well, even if you're scared to leverage trade, you don't need to do not 10, 20x. You can just do a 1x, 2x, and just let that run. But yeah, Suri is my second one. And my third one is the OG. The OG Link. That's thinking Link. Yeah. I actually done a trade on this today. This is a 4 hour chart. It didn't look like this when I got in. Um Yeah, let me see if I still. Yeah, so look, this is how it looked when I done it this morning. I mean, look at that. So obviously over here, this white line, this line going across like that, that's support, right? It hit here, it went up. Hit again, went up. It came near it, went up. Hit here, went up. So when it comes down here, obviously what you do is you bet on the price to go up because this is support line. This is a trend line that's acting as support. The only time you decide for the, your only time you decide, all right, I'm gonna bet for it to go down is if the price action starts breaking that and starts going lower. But until then, as they say, the trend's your friend till the end. So obviously, I entered along here. This is just a screenshot from this morning. As you can see, look at the time, 10 o'clock. Madness, madness. And then annoying, man. Alright, cool. And then I'll show you what happened now. So, boom, around here, 10 o'clock. From 10 o'clock, caught a little 5% move. Boom, see it there? But I didn't catch the whole 5% move. I sold on 4% because I was using high leverage, 10x leverage. See what I'm saying? It was an 8K trade. I made 4K, got out there quickly. And obviously, I'm not here to sell signals or whatever, but in this Telegram group that I've got with my friends, I've I've showed them the entry, I showed them my gains, I showed them when I sold, all of that. And I'm not trying to do this to promote any like courses or whatever. I don't do none of that. And this channel is just it's just literally show people my crypto journey in it and to inspire people to do whatever they want to do. But anyways, those three coins are my top three picks. Chainlink. See what Chainlink's doing right now. Imagine that. Look, I'm here to talk to you about an opportunity to buy Chainlink, and look what it's doing. It's about to break this. So the way I see it now is, since it's doing this now, I might as well just quickly show you this video. So when do I enter a short on Chainlink? Chainlink needs to break here, come all the way down here, break this green line, and then do this. Let's turn this yellow. Then I'll enter a short here. I'll enter some of my shorts here and the rest of it here. Once it does this pivot. Once it breaks this pivot, I'll enter here. So the reason why I'm not entering here, because it can easily do this. It can easily just come here, do this, do that, and then do that. It can easily do that. So I ain't got time for that. I need more confirmation. So by Chainlink, coming down, even down here, even Chainlink coming like around here, like it's nothing. It can play around here. It can play around here. It can do all of that. I don't care about all of that. You see it? I don't care about all of that. I need it to come down here. I need it to come down here, break this white line. I still won't trade it. I need it to break here. This is the one. This is the pivot point that I'm looking for. I need it to break, come back here, and then come back down. I'll enter here, obviously, on the bearish retest, and then I'll enter the rest once we break this. That's how I trade. It's called market structure. Boom. I wasn't even here to. I wasn't even gonna talk about this. I was just telling you about the three coins that's looking good right now for a 12-week hold. But as I was talking about Chainlink, obviously I see an opportunity, and whenever I see an opportunity, boy, I get excited. But I'm definitely gonna get in this trade. The market's red right now, red, 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 because Bitcoin's fucking around. All right, cool. This is what Bitcoin's doing. That's why the market is red. Now, if you ain't seen my previous video, I advise you to go and watch that. So this was on the 17th of August. On the 17th of August, I don't like to say the word predict, but I knew all of this was going to happen. Why? I'm going to show you why right now. So in my previous video, go and check it. I literally said, this is a low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, and then this is another lower high. I said, as soon as I saw that, I said, this is a lower high. So if we make a new low, which means if we break this yellow, let's turn this big. If we break this, that means Bitcoin's gonna dump. And look, we broke this. As soon as we broke it, look, boom. And then it made a new, look, so it made a new low, and then it made a lower high again, and then a new lower low. A lower high again, and then a new lower low. Do you get it? Bitcoin dumped, man. I saw that on the 17th. And today, what? 24. Do you know what I'm saying? A week ago. It's madness. Madness. Like, am I a genius? Do I predict the future? No. It's just market structure, innit? But other people will look at this and be like, yeah, I told you this was gonna happen. Yeah, come and join my course. Or yeah, give me $100 and I'll show you how to do this. Or da da da. That's dead. You see me, I always think like this, yeah. If you like, if you see all these guys that's doing this, yeah, if they're such a good traders and they can predict the future and they can make money whether it goes up, whether it goes down, yeah. Why the fuck are they hungry to get your little money, like to get your little $100 a month or $100 a week? Why did they want that so bad? Because if you're out here making all this money because you can predict the future, why the fuck do you need like normal average Joe and normal people that ain't even like day-to-day traders? Like, why do you need money off them, bro? That's why you see me. I'm not doing none of these courses, none of these charge people for signals, cause not in a rude way. Like I don't need your peas, bro. Like thank God, like I'm here, I'm doing my thing. I'm comfy, I'm good. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't need to be like, yo, join my look. I got a Telegram group right here, right now that I send my brethren a signal to today, but I'll never promote it to anyone like that I don't know and be like, I'll charge you. Like if you're my friend or if I know you or even if I don't know you like that, if you got me on social media, I'll just give it to you. Just like, yo, bro, I'm entering this trade. This is my exit. This might do it then. Do you? But I'll never be like, yo, that trade came through. You better pay me or start running some sort of subscription. I'm not on that. I see, you see the way I see it. Whoever does shit like that are not making money from their trades. They're making money from these groups. So what they'll try to do is get like 1,000 people, 2,000 people in the group and make all of them send them like $100, $250 a month. And that's how they're actually making an earning. I'm not on that, bro. This is how I'm making an earning. Do you get it? Like all of that shit is dead. But anyways, went off topic a bit. So that's the three coins, yeah? Solana, Sui, Chainlink. 12-week hold. Why 12 weeks? I don't see this bull market lasting more than 12 weeks. If we're lucky, 4 months. But yeah, 12 weeks. But anyway, it's a quick one. Take care, man. Like, subscribe, all of that. All of that, all of that.